The second thing that we want to do as part of this process is create a map. So I need to be able to tell it what fields do I want to map from my source system to my destination system. So I'm going to create a new map. I'll give this a name. And then I'm going to leverage the profiles that I created as part of my operation when I configured my connector. So if you remember, when we went through and we configured our connector shape, we brought in a view of the object and fields that I want to work with as part of my integration. So I'm going to select that for my source. And on the right hand side, I'm going to select my profile that I created for the destination system, and now I have the fields that I can begin mapping from source to target. Now the way this is traditionally done is I would just grab a field over here on the left hand side, drag it over to the right hand side, and drop it on the destination field. That would establish a map. Now we talked about in our presentation leveraging the collective intelligence of our community. So what we've come up with is Boomi Suggest. Boomi Suggest is anonymously indexed all of the process maps across all of our community. What this allows you to do is leverage the community for a set of best practices when integrating two similar applications. What it'll do is bring back a list of suggestions based on confidence levels, and I can use those to automatically generate my map. So here you see there's a total of 12 suggestions, 11 being high and 1 being medium, with 0 being a low confidence. This is wizard driven, so if I click on next, by default it's going to select all of the field mappings for me. I can uncheck those or check those as I see fit or based on my requirements. I'll click on next, and this will just walk through the various different confidence levels. I'll click on finish, and now I have my map automatically generated for me. There may be some fields that you don't want to map, so you can take those and drag those off. In addition to the map, we also provide you with transformation logic. So you may need to be able, there may be a requirement to manipulate data as it moves from the source to the target. So we provide you with a set of functions. You can use these to manipulate string information or apply mathematical calculations. You might want to do date masking, etc. We also provide you with the ability to apply custom scripting if there's something that the out-of-the-box function can't solve. You could leverage JScript or Groovy to write your own transformation. Generally speaking, most transformation requirements can be met through those out-of-the-box functions. I'll do a save and close on this, and now I have my process map.